Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Jira for AI issue triage automation step by step clearly. Visit the official Jira website. Click on the Try Jira for free button. Select the product that suits your needs best, such as Jira Software or Jira Service Management. Create an Atlassian account if you don't have one. Fill in your email and choose a password. Complete any necessary verification steps sent to your email. Once logged in, follow the prompts to set up your Jira instance. Choose your team size and project type to tailor your experience. Select a template that fits your project requirements. After selecting a template, click on Create Your Project. Navigate to the project settings from the left sidebar. Locate the Automation tab within the project settings. Click on Add Rule to start creating your automation. Select the trigger that initiates the automation, such as issue created. Choose conditions for the automation, like issue type or priority. Add actions that will take place once For AI issue triage, consider using the Send Web Request action to integrate with AI tools. Connect your AI tool by providing the necessary API endpoint and authentication details. Test your automation setup by creating a few sample issues. Review the automation logs to ensure that everything is functioning as expected. Make adjustments to the automation rules as necessary based on your testing. Save your automation when you're satisfied with its configuration. Monitor the performance of your automation over time for continuous improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.